So guys, good morning, good morning. Have a great day. Morse code for today natin guys. June 24, 2024. So guys, ang Morse code for today natin, first letter S. Yan ang first letter natin guys. Ang pangalawa W. So guys, naiisip nyo na ba kung ano pangatlong letra? A. And then pang-apat, oops, nawala. ulit first letter S. Pangalawang letra W. Ang pangatlo A. Pang-apat letter P. So guys, ayan na, nakuha na natin guys. Swap. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Baboos! Thank you for watching. Have a great day to all. God bless as always.